Like, say hi.
Okay.
Bye. Bye. Hey guys, it's Ben Medina. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. I am headed to a WordPress conference and I'm gonna take you with me. So for those of you guys who are wondering what WordCamp is essentially the local conference organized by the WordPress community of Chicago, and it's pretty awesome. Basically what this is basically a little conference, super cheap. It's only about $40 to get in, but it's basically all WordPress developers and bloggers and marketers, and everyone's kind of there trying to help each other and learn from each other. Well, I made it downtown. Conference is just down that way, a few blocks. So I'm pretty excited. Got a breakfast burrito, and now I'm headed over. So can't wait to see what's next.
I broke it. I took it right and broke the box frame. That was the only way we were getting up there.
The amazing thing about WordCamp is that there's so many amazing people here and they're so supportive of each other. I mean, there's literally like, everyone thinks like, there's no competition here. Everyone's just wants to help each other grow. And I haven't seen something like this. Probably the closest thing is social media marketing world. So I'm walking home after an awesome day at WordCamp. I'm going to tell you more about it when I get back. Man, what a day it was. I'm just gonna shoot a quick say hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Bye.
We're having lunch right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog about my experience at WordCamp. I'm actually walking home right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I am definitely going to see more of these later on, and I hope to see you there. So if you like this video, be sure to leave a like. Make sure to comment down below with whether you've actually checked out WordCamp or WordPress, because I would love to know. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next vlog.